A compound noun is a fascinating aspect of English grammar, where two or more words come together to create a new meaning. Take snowstorm, for example. It combines snow and storm to describe a specific weather event. But compound nouns can also mix different parts of speech. Think of firefighter, which blends a noun and a verb, or smartphone, merging an adjective with a noun. There are three main ways to form compound nouns: as a single word like toothbrush, as separate words like swimming pool, and with hyphens such as mother-in-law. Each type has its own rules for pluralization too. For instance, toothbrushes simply adds an S, while mothers-in-law changes the main word. Understanding compound nouns not only enriches your vocabulary, but also helps you appreciate the creativity of the English language. So, the next time you encounter a compound noun, remember it's more than just a combination of words. It's a unique expression with its own identity.